Let's take a look at a couple problems involving more complex counting. So this first one says we want to know how many different committees can be formed from 5 professors and 15 students if each committee is required to have 2 professors and 8 students. So we've got to select 2 out of the 5 professors, and we also have to select 8 out of the 15 students. So this is going to involve combinations because we're selecting from a group without replacement, and we don't care about the order, but it's also going to involve the basic counting principle because we've got to select the number of ways we can do professors and the number of ways we can find our students and then multiply those results together. So this is how our answer would look. The number of professor combinations times the number of student combinations. So the combination of 5 things taken 2 at a time, professors, times the combination of 15 things taken 8 at a time, the students. When we use our calculators to get those, we're going to end up with a final answer of 64,350. Quite a few different committees there. All right, here's another one. If that made sense to you, see if you can pause this, read the problem, and then come up with an answer. Okay, how'd we do? So a math exam consists of 20 multiple choice questions and 10 open-ended problems in which all work is shown. The student must answer 15 of the multiple choice and 5 of the open-ended. So how many different ways could the student do this test? Well, just as above, we first have to figure out how many different ways can we answer the multiple choice questions. So it's a combination of 20 things taken 15 at a time. And how many ways can we do the open-ended? So now it's going to be the combination of 10 things taken 5 at a time. And so our final answer here is a whopping 3,907,008 different ways for a student to complete this exam. Very individualized. Let me know if you have any questions.